Hello and welcome everyone. In this section, we'll be covering shipping and everything you need to know about how to start your business and getting shipping supplies for free. So the first place that you can get shipping supplies for free is from the United States Postal Service. If you're located in United States, this is the preferred service that eBay actually uses for shipping. In fact, you can get a substantial discount on any item you ship using United States Postal Service as long as you print the stamps directly on eBay itself. Now, when it comes for you to getting boxes to use, United States Postal Service does give you flat rate boxes that you could use to ship them priority anywhere in United States and even international shipping. Now, the good thing about priority mail boxes is that they're flat rate, which means that it doesn't matter where you ship them in United States, the rate always stays the same. So if you're shipping some heavy items and you can fit them into those boxes, you might save a lot of money. On the other hand, you can save a lot more money if you get your own boxes and you ship it yourself. So for you to do this, and if you want to ship boxes and you want to ship your own boxes and not use the United States Postal Service boxes, which are still free, but you are going to pay extra money. The reason you're paying extra money is that you're shipping it priority and they already have some markup built into those boxes. So if you want to ship first class or not priority mail, you are going to pay a little less money and you're going to save on every package that you ship. But now you have to have your own boxes. So to get your own boxes, there is a few places I highly recommend for you to go to get them. First off, the first place you can get them is if you get any boxes in the mail yourself, just save them and reuse them. It's always good to be eco-friendly, not to use anything that you don't have to use. You don't want to buy boxes if you can get them for free or from somewhere else. Another location that I like to get is from friends and family. Always ask your friends and family to give you boxes they no longer need, and that's going to give you a lot of extra boxes. If that's not enough, you can go to any store. There is a bunch of different stores like Target, Walmart, some of the big retail stores. They always have extra boxes. You can ask them if you can take a few of them, and every single time you take a few of those boxes, your collection of boxes is going to get bigger. Eventually you have enough boxes, they're going to be every kind of different shape and size, and you'll be able to use it to mail any kind of item that you want. The good thing about having your own storage and having a bunch of different boxes is now you are actually saving money. Every time you ship using your own box, you're gonna save a few cents or even a few bucks. At the end of the year, you're definitely gonna save a lot of money of extra expenses that you could actually be paying if you do use the priority mail boxes. That said, you're gonna save a lot more space if you use the priority mail boxes because of the way they're packaged. So they already are not gonna take as much space as you're gonna get boxes from the store itself, which is already pre-assembled. So pre-assembled versus less space, and you have to pay more money for the priority mail shipping, is going to be two things. You have to weight yourself and think for yourself which is better for you. For me, I use both. Sometimes I use priority mail if it is cheaper, and at other times I use my own boxes. So most of the time I actually use my own boxes because it saves me a lot more money. But sometimes I have to ship using the priority mail boxes because it's going to save me more cash, especially when it comes to heavy and bulky items. So if I can fit a bunch of heavy stuff, put it in priority mail, and it seems that it's going to save me more money, I rather do this. But most of the time I save more using my own boxes. So think what's going to be best for you, which way you want to go about this, and then decide how you're going to run your business.